Hey Code Sparkle family. Today, let's talk about what a content management system, or CMS, is. A CMS is a software application that allows you to create, manage, and modify content on a website without needing extensive technical knowledge. Think of it as the backbone of your website where you can easily handle everything from text and images to multimedia. One of the most popular CMS platforms is WordPress, which powers a significant portion of the web. It offers user-friendly interfaces and a wide range of themes and plugins, making it easy to customize your site. CMS platforms typically have features like WYSIWYG editors, which allow you to see what your content will look like as you edit it. They also help with SEO optimization, enabling you to improve your site's visibility on search engines. Using a CMS saves time and effort, especially for non-developers. You don't need to write code to update your site or add new features, just log in, make your changes, and publish. In summary, a content management system simplifies website management, making it accessible for everyone. Do you use a CMS for your site? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.